how to fix iPhone Stuck in SOS Mode. So let's get started. Firstly, restart your device. A quick restart can fix common issues. On iPhones without a home button, press and hold the power button and volume up button until the power slider appears. On iPhone with a home button, press and hold the slide button until the slider appears and wait 30 seconds and then turn it back. Then, if your cellular line is enabled, you can try turning it off and on again. You can go to the settings, then tap on the cellular and toggle off cellular data and again toggle it on. If you don't see your network in this page, make sure you insert the SIM card correctly or have an active eSIM. After that, open the control center and tap the airplane icon. It should highlight when it's turned on. Tap it again and turn it off. You can also go to settings and tap the toggle for airplane mode. After that, all you have to do is reset network settings. This will also erase any saved Wi-Fi networks and password cellular settings and VPN settings, so you'll need to enter those again later. After that, make sure your iPhone is updated. Software updates includes the latest bug fixes, so be sure your device is up to date. And in order to do that, go to the settings, tap on the general, tap on the software update and tap download and install. If none of these work, then all you have to do is go to the Apple's customer support. You may still be covered under warranty and eligible for a replacement. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.